Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring and combining dry ingredients. 200 g Maida with 1 tsp baking powder and 150 g sugar. This ensures even rise. Once done, whisk eggs to incorporate air. Eggs at room temperature trap bubbles better. Make sure to melt 100 g butter or use 100 ml oil and let it cool slightly, so it blends without cooking eggs. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and prepare a greased, lined 20 cm pan so your batter transfers smoothly and starts baking immediately. Now you combine wet and dry, sift Maida and baking powder twice to aerate the flour, which gives a finer crumb. Whisk eggs and sugar until light, then fold in melted butter and any milk, using gentle strokes. Once the mixture reaches the ribbon stage, where batter falls in a thick stream, stop mixing. This prevents gluten development and keeps the cake tender. Make sure to scrape the bowl and pour batter into the prepared 20 cm pan, leveling the top so it bakes evenly across the surface. Bake the batter at 180 degrees for 25 to 35 minutes and test with a skewer. A clean pull means done. Once baked, cool the cake for 10 minutes in the pan so it firms, then invert onto a rack to prevent a soggy base. If you want a glaze or dusting, wait until fully cool. Troubleshooting tip: if the cake is dense, first check your oven temperature with an oven thermometer. Also remember that overmixing after adding flour tightens gluten and makes cakes heavy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.